Scientists found what your pet really thinks about you. And it's not what you expect. Have you ever looked at your dog while they're staring at you and just wondered, what is going on in that furry little head? Or maybe your cat gives you that look, you know the one, that mix of judgment and affection, and you're just left guessing. Well, you're not alone. For centuries, we've been trying to decode the secret language of our pets. But recently, scientists have made some incredible breakthroughs that pull back the curtain on our pets' inner worlds. And trust me, what they found is not what you expect. Let's start with our canine companions. For a long time, we believed that dogs see us as the alpha or the pack leader. This theory suggested that their love was just a form of submission, a way to stay in our good graces to get food and shelter. It's a bit of a cold perspective, isn't it? But new research using MRI brain scans tells a completely different story. Scientists at Emory University trained dogs to lie perfectly still in an MRI machine and then exposed them to different scents, including their owners as strangers and another dogs. The results were mind-blowing. When dogs smelled their owner, their brain's reward center, the caudate nucleus, lit up like a Christmas tree. This is the same part of the human brain that activates when we see people we love. This suggests that the scent of their human is inherently rewarding to them, not just because it's linked to food, but because they genuinely value our presence. It's not about being a pack leader. It's about being family. But what about that famous guilty look? You come home to a shredded cushion and your dog is cowering in the corner, ears back, avoiding eye contact. You think, they know they did something wrong. Well, science says, not exactly. A study conducted by Dr. Alexandra Horowitz found that the guilty look is simply a reaction to our body language. The dogs in the study showed these submissive behaviors whether they had actually done the misdeed or not. As long as their owner scolded them, it's not guilt. It's a learned response to our anger. They're basically saying, whoa, my human is upset. I better look as harmless as possible. It's more about reading your emotions than understanding a moral concept of right and wrong. Now, let's switch gears to our feline friends. Cats have a reputation for being aloof, independent, and maybe just a little bit selfish. We often joke that they see us as their staff, existing only to open cans of food and provide a warm lap. But is that fair? Recent studies from Oregon State University are challenging this stereotype. Researchers used a test called the Secure Base Test, which is often used to study the bond between human infants and their parents. They put cats in an unfamiliar room with their owner. The owner would then leave for 2 minutes and then return. About 65% of the cats showed a secure attachment to their owners. They were less stressed and more willing to explore when their human was present, and they sought comfort upon their return. This attachment style is incredibly similar to what's observed in human children. It turns out your cat likely sees you as a source of comfort and security, much like a parent. They're not just using you for your can-opening skills. They genuinely depend on you emotionally. And what about all that purring and meowing? We often think purring means a cat is happy, but it's more complex than that. Cats also purr when they are scared or in pain. Scientists believe purring, which has a frequency between 25 and 150 Hz, might actually be a self-healing mechanism. Vibrations in this range have been shown to promote bone density and healing. So when your cat is purring on your lap, it might be a sign of contentment, but it could also be a form of self-soothing. And all those different meows. They're not talking to other cats that way. Adult cats rarely meow at each other. They developed this specific vocalization primarily to communicate with us, their clueless human companions. They've essentially learned to speak human in their own way to get our attention, whether it's for food, a door to be opened. or just a little affection. So, the next time you look into your pet's eyes, remember, there's a complex, loving, and surprisingly familiar mind looking back at you. It's not just about instincts and survival. They form deep, emotional bonds with us, see us family, and have even developed unique ways to communicate their needs and feelings. Our pet's love for us isn't just a happy accident. It's a profound connection built on trust, comfort, and genuine affection. They're not just our pets. We are their whole world. What do you think? Has this changed how you see your own pet? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing insights into the animal kingdom.